Today we're going to make a grocery bag holder, and I'm going to make it out of a kitchen towel. This towel is 15 inches by 25 inches. Those are not my fabric scissors, y'all. Take that off. We're going to open it up, and we're going to cut this little tag off. And then you're going to need a 12-inch piece of cable cord. This one I'm using is 3/16 of an inch. And then I'm going to use 2 pieces of elastic that are 9 inches. That's going to kind of gather up our ends to hold the bags in. Okay, let's go to the sewing machine. Okay, on the inside of the towel, down at the very bottom, all of our edges are already finished. They've been turned under. And we're going to take that piece of elastic and we're going to zigzag it on right against the edge of that. So we're just going to start, reverse, and you want your stitch length kind of close together. I've got 3.0 and we're going to go 1.8. And what we're going to do is we're going to put this at the other end and we're going to stretch it as we sew. Oops. Got a little misguided there. Okay, see, we've got our elastic in there. That'll keep those bags from falling out. We're going to do the same thing on the other end. Okay, we're going to put, see that pretty thing? Now we're going to put right sides together. And I'm going to do an even smaller zigzag, like a 2.0 width and a length of 2.5. We're going to sew the edges together. Look at me trying to match my plaids. I'm weird like that. Okay, now you're going to grab it and turn it right side out. Just slide your arm down in there, your hand, and just pull it through. Y'all, how fast was that? So cute. Okay, I'm going to decide what's the top and what's the bottom. And then I want this seam in the back. So I'm just going to kind of center that. And then I'm gonna sew this down on both sides so that it can hang up. And that's it. I just go back and forth across that seam. And there we have it. There it is, y'all. Now I'm going to go put my plastic bags in there. Love it.